Let's make some noise for Dan Nightingale! Now let's hear it for Campbell! Okay, so we're going to decide who goes first in the most gangster style possible. Rock, paper, scissors. After 3. 1, 2, 3. After 3. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. You going first or second row?
This could take a while. What do I want to do?
I don't mind, mate. You're a good friend, so you can choose.
Alright, man, holy fuck, I got too many rhymes cooking in my mind. Coming to the ball like a freestyle gumbo. I'm about to make you look like a bum, bro, because I'm a gun pro, I'm a killer on the mic. Prepare, I'm about to take you out in a lyrical drone strike. Let's get started with the glasses, man. What the fuck is the story with these glasses? I know he only wears them to look less spastic. I tried them on the other night. The lenses are made out of plastic. He likes acting the fucking rock star, tripping the light fantastic. The only band you're ever going to be in, Dan, is NHS funded and gastric. Oh, man. By the way, Dan is a resident MC of a club called Beat the Frog, or the club in Manchester called Frog and Bucket, and he's represented by Gag Reflex, and his agent is Lee Martin. I just thought I'd tell you that shit so the next stuff makes sense. So there's a rumour going round you got 7 secret sprogs from 7 desperate women who won Beat the Frog. Well, I'm not surprised you're a hit with the ladies. They don't realise your penis looks like it's contracted rabies. I don't know if that makes sense, but it's a funny image. Your Jap's eye, frothing at the mouth. As Lee Martin's new intern says, come on, Dan, I really don't want to go south. Come on, babe, just stick it in your fucking mouth. Oh, man. Because on stage your persona is Mr. Cheeky Chappy, but I've heard in the bedroom he likes to wear a nappy and a bib and suck on an enormous teat. And when he comes after he's had a rattle shoved up his bum, I imagine that he bleats. That was fucking amazing, babe. I'll see you at Beat the Frog next week. That's my time.
That was fucking amazing. Looks shit when you've got notes, doesn't it? I mean, well remembered, that's the main thing, well remembered. Can I do it in a little gangster voice? I feel like I might be doing this in a gangster voice. I like it. I'm rap battling Ro Campbell, but I'm a sordid northern preacher. This motherfucker runs the night. Like I'm stepping up to the teacher. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Some of my rhymes and some of my spits will probably be obscene. Cause I'm gonna slag your mum, I'm gonna slag your nana. I've never actually met your dad, but I'm guessing he's a spanner. I've got bare rhymes, they call me Danny the Pooh. If you step to me, I'll fucking step to you. Ro Campbell is an Aussie comic, he's easily in the top 63. But But when it comes to acts from Adelaide, I much prefer Mickey D. It gets so much worse. You've got a dodgy heritage, loads of convicts behind bars, but please don't do a show about it, because it'll just mean another 2 stars. These slams are getting pretty bad, but that's because we're both pissed. It's getting pretty fucking brutal, like that review you got from the list. Although actually I read a pretty nice one of yours, Ro. Was it from like the free week? The only reason I'm being nice is because he's got all the beak.
I remember when you used to be the most famous damn Nightingale in the entire land. Until some nutter squatty came back from Afghanistan with an arsenal of 9mm guns, and then the internet forgot all about you and your stupid motherfucking puns. No wonder they book you for all them army gigs. They think they're actually getting a fucking SAS Mr. Big. Yeah, that would be better if I hadn't fluffed that one. Oh man. What was the next fucking bit? Gag Reflex, that's the name of his agency that represents him. Gag Reflex? Isn't that what happens when you suck on a dick too hard? Wow, man, your agent Lee Martin's jizz apparently turns immediately to lard. Now, everybody knows you're prone to getting jealous because the next Gag Reflex TV star is going to be Phil Ellis. I mean, you're a funny guy and you've got natural flair, but Phil's tall and he's handsome and he's got actual hair. I think it's a shame you let those feelings for Phil really fucking fester to the point that you packed your bags and moved to fucking Chester. Oh my god. Fuck, what was next? Move to fucking Chester. Oh, I'm choking here. Oh, listen, man, I ain't gonna lie, man. This dude's actually my friend, and I think he's really, really fucking funny. And I can't understand why I make more money. But, if you don't mind, I'm gonna be totally fucking blunt. I think you would be a household name if you weren't managed by an insufferable cunt. Oh, I know, I'm dissing Lee Martin. Have you any idea just what you're starting? Yes, I do, and I don't give a fuck. Seriously, fuck it. I hate your agent, because he never books me for the Frog and Bucket. Holy shit, man. So, I don't know, man. I think I've got this shit licked. I'm pretty sure I'm going to triumph here, and my triumph's going to be glorious. And in about fucking 2 minutes, your rap battling reputation will be about as good as Oscar Pistorius. But I'm going to finish on an ad. Oh, I just remembered one, man. Holy shit. No, fuck it. Man, you've got such a fucking scabby, disease-ridden cock. The only women that'll touch it have filthy dreadlocks. I'm really sorry if you're here, darling. That was topical. I'll finish on an ad-lib. I really feel bad about that last one, and I wouldn't have done it if you didn't owe me 40 quid. That's my time.
It's getting too fucking dangerous now, yo. Second verse, much like the first, getting pretty personal and downright perverse. I'm not convinced. Some of his spits make me cringe. That's why the motherfucker's always on the free fringe.
Oh, I'm not.
Let me spit.
3 shows at the stand.
Shut up, you prick! I didn't even say a fucking word about diseased cock.
I've never actually heard of
Shut up, you
pun either.
bellend. that was how Northern was that. Shut up, you bellend. Good night. I feel a proper twat for spreading all this hate. Yes, the guy's a bellend, but he's genuinely my mate. Now, don't you get pissed off, bro. Don't close your sense of humour. Don't lose your sense of humour. But this is the bit of my rap when I start spreading nasty rumours. Ro, do you touch animals? Because I heard you fucked a badger. Though the beast in question didn't mind on account of your small tadger.
Did Russell Howard write that joke?
No! Someone wrote it for him.
Badger, hilarious.
Oh shit! I feel proper shady. I'm being really catty, saying homophobic shit like Ro takes it up the batty. I've heard you're on a register as a convicted paedophile. I've seen you chasing little kids up and down the Royal Mile. Be honest, Ro, come clean. You're always using Twitter, but you should tell your 11 followers that you're the Aussie Gary Glitter. I think you've done alright today, Ro, but compared to me, you've tanked. So make sure this shit goes up online at hashtag Ro got spanked.
wish I had my rhymes in the motherfucking memory bank.
Fuck you, Ro.
Okay, we have to decide a winner based on audience reaction. I've got a hunch though, sorry. So that was below the belt mostly, so I'm happy with that. So tell you what, make some noise for Ro Campbell! Now give some love to Dan Nightingale! So that one goes to Dan! Pop, 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 pop.
You'll die of age, you cunt.